front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. All you need to do is launch an app you wanna use in this view and access it in the background. Now hold it until all of those options show up. When they do, click on this icon in the middle and then enjoy using your app in this window. To move your window around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. Now using this line at the bottom, you can open your app in full screen view by swiping down, or close it completely by swiping up. If you want to minimize your window, you can always click on Home button and swipe it to the side. Then access it by tapping on the bubble and clicking on Tiny Window. If you wish, you can always click on those three dots at the top to close your window thanks to this button on the right. Use it in full screen view thanks to this one on the left, or switch to split screen by tapping on one of those. Then select a second app and operate in both. To go back to floating window form, use the same three dots and this time select this icon of a floating window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!